Today we will discuss about some numerical problems on second law of thermodynamics. Theory part we have already covered, so we discuss about some numericals on second law of thermodynamics. So first numerical is a Carnot heat engine operate between source and sink temperature of 300 degrees centigrade and minus 5 degrees centigrade. If the system receives 95 kilojoule per second from the source, find efficiency of the engine, the net work output and heat rejected to sink. Okay, so the given data is source temperature, that is 300 degrees centigrade, and sink temperature is minus 5 degrees centigrade. We can see in figure. So temperature is in degree centigrade. We convert this in Kelvin. So this is 300 plus 273, and that is equal to 573. Okay, 573 Kelvin. Now minus 5 degree centigrade equal to minus 5 plus minus 5 plus 273, that is equal to 268 Kelvin. Okay, so we want to determine efficiency of heat engine, net work output and heat rejected to sink. So first of all we determine efficiency of heat engine. Efficiency of heat engine, that is eta is equal to 1 minus TL upon TH. 1 minus TL upon TH. So TL is 268 and TH is 573. 268 and 573. Okay. We know that efficiency of a Carnot engine depends only on the temperature of two reservoirs, that is source temperature and sink temperature. So here this formula is used in term of temperatures. Now the value of the efficiency, Carnot efficiency, will be equal to this one, that is 0.532 or 53.2. Okay, so this is Carnot efficiency. Now the net work output is eta equal to W upon QH. So here W is equal to eta into QH, that is equal to 0.532 into 95, and W equal to 50.57 kilojoule per second or kilowatt. So this is W. Now third is heat rejected to sink. Heat rejected to sink. Here W equal to QH minus QL. So heat rejected is QL. So QL equal to QH minus W. This one. QL equal to QH minus W. So the value of QL will be equal to 44.43 kilowatt. 44.43 kilowatt. Okay. Now next problem is a house required 60 kilowatt for heating in winter. A heat pump is used to supply this heat to house. The work required to operate the heat pump is 8.5 kilowatt. Determine the heat extracted by the pump from outside, and second is coefficient of performance. Now first of all, given data. Given data is QH equal to 60 kilowatt and W equal to 8.5. QH is 60 kilowatt and W is 8.5 kilowatt. Now we can see in figure, this is figure of heat pump. This is heat pump and heat extracted by pump, that is QL. QL equal to QH minus W. QH minus W already given. So value of QH is 60 and value of W is 8.5. Now QL is equal to 51.57 5 kilowatt. Okay, now COP is desired effect upon work done. COP is equal to coefficient of performance equal to desired effect upon work done. Here desired effect is QH. So QH equal to 60 and W equal to 8.5. Now the value of COP is 7.1. Value of COP is 7.1. So this is COP of heat pump. Next problem is a Carnot engine is working between temperature limit of 600 Kelvin and 300 Kelvin. Find the efficiency of the engine if the engine is reversed. Find the COP when it works as a heat pump, COP when it works as a refrigerator. Okay, now the given data is TH, that is source temperature. TH equal to 600 Kelvin and TL equal to 300 Kelvin. This is TH and this is TL. Now we want to find the efficiency of heat engine. So efficiency of heat engine, in that is eta equal to 1 minus TL upon TH, 1 minus TL upon TH, or that is equal to 0.5 or 50%. When engine is reversed to work as heat pump or refrigerator. Okay, so the efficiency is 50%. Now given condition is if the engine is reversed, find COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator. So COP of heat pump is TH minus TL, TH divided by TH minus TL, TH divided by TH divided by TH minus TL. Okay, so value of TH is 600 and value of TL is 300. After calculation, that is equal to 2. Okay, and COP of refrigerator is TL divided by TH minus TL, this one. So the value of COP of refrigerator is 1, and another formula is COP HP minus 1 equal to COP ref. Okay, so we can say that COP refrigerator equal to COP HP minus 1. Okay, so this is 2 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, now next problem is a Carnot engine receives heat at the rate of 3.5 kilowatt and gives an output of 10.2 kilowatt. Determine thermal efficiency, the rate of heat rejection. Okay, so given data is that is QH equal to 35 kilowatt, that is 35 kilojoule per second, and W equal to 10.2 kilowatt, that is equal to 10.2 kilojoule per second. Okay, now determine thermal efficiency and rate of heat rejection. Now we can see in figure, this is figure of heat engine. So eta equal to W upon QH, that is equal to 10.2 divided by 35, 10.2 divided by 35, that is equal to 0.29 or 29%. Okay, so efficiency is equal to 29%. Now rate of heat rejection, that is QL. So the value of QL is we can determine from the formula W equal to QH minus QL. So from this QL equal to QH minus W. Okay, putting values of QH and W, that is 35 minus 10.2 equal to 24.8 kilowatt. So this is value of QL or rate of heat rejection. Okay, now next problem is a inventor claims to have developed an engine that takes in 110 megajoule at a temperature of 227 degrees centigrade, rejects 43 megajoule at a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade, and delivers 16 kilowatt hour of work. Would you advise investing money to put this engine in the market? Now, the given data is source temperature, that is T is equal to 227 degrees centigrade. Okay, given data TH is 227 degrees centigrade or 500 Kelvin, and TL sink temperature is 27 degrees centigrade, that is equal to 300 Kelvin. The value of QH is 110 megajoule and value of QL is 43 megajoule. Work is 16 kilowatt hour. So we convert this into kilojoule. So this will be equal to 16 kilojoule per second into 60 into 60. So that will be equal to 57.6 megajoule. Okay, W is given in kilowatt hour, and we convert this into kilojoule and megajoule. Okay, so 57.6 megajoule is work done. Now the given question is, would you advise investing money to put this engine in the market? This problem is solved by determining the efficiency, that is Carnot efficiency and actual efficiency. If actual efficiency of engine will be less than Carnot efficiency, then we may advise to purchase this engine. Okay, so first of all we determine Carnot efficiency. Now eta Carnot or eta maximum, that is equal to eta Carnot or eta maximum, that is equal to 1 minus TL upon TH. Okay, so value of TL is 300 and value of TH is 500, and this will be equal to 0.4 or 40%. And actual efficiency will be equal to W upon QH, that is eta actual equal to W upon QH. The value of W is 57.6 and QH is 110, and this will be equal to 0.524 or 52.4%. Okay, hence here eta actual or actual efficiency is greater than eta max or eta Carnot, which is impossible. So the claim is not valid. Okay, this claim is not valid. Now next problem is, a cold storage is to be maintained at -2 degrees centigrade while the surrounding temperature is 39 degrees centigrade. The heat leakage from the surrounding into the cold storage is estimated to be 31 kilowatt. The actual COP of the refrigeration plant is 30% of the ideal plant working between the same temperature. Find the power required to drive the plant. In this problem, given data is TL equal to 271 Kelvin and TH equal to 312 Kelvin. Okay, now we can see in figure, this is figure of refrigerator. Here a condition given, actual COP of refrigerator is 0.3 times of ideal COP of refrigerator. Okay, so refrigerator must remove heat from the cold storage, which is equal to the heat leakage, that is QL, and QL is equal to 31 kilowatt. Now ideal COP of refrigerator equal to TL upon TH minus TL. Okay, so value of TL is 271 and value of TH is 312. So the ideal COP of refrigerator will be equal to 6.61. 6.61. This is ideal COP of refrigerator. Okay, this is ideal COP of refrigerator. Now given condition is actual COP of refrigerator is 0.3 times of ideal COP of refrigerator. So this is actual COP of refrigerator equal to 0.3 times of ideal COP of refrigerator. So this will be equal to 0.3 into 6.61, that is equal to 1.98. Okay, again COP of refrigerator equal to Q2 upon QL upon W, and this will be equal to 1.98 equal to 31 divided by W, then W equal to 15.63 kilowatt. Okay, so this is W of value is 15.63.